About this small but fine soldering iron, which is from KERNOWO and is relatively simple in design. I'm not going to delve too deeply into the topic, just show it once. Everything we need to successfully get started is right here. We also have a small soft sponge here that we can moisten with water if necessary. It's live, just put it back in for now. Here is our classic spool of solder, and here are various soldering tips that we can select from to suit different tasks and needs. Here is a small storage station. Here goes the sponge accordingly. We can then set that up accordingly. So everything works without any problems, and otherwise it's really just a matter of plugging it in. And here is the corresponding cover for it, just a protective cap. Here we have our trusty classic soldering iron that we can easily work with for projects. The design is simple, fits comfortably in hand, and offers a good grip thickness. Simply press the power button located here and then use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the strength we need. And I think the rest is relatively self-explanatory, and it has enough power to work well with it. Just a really nice little thing.